my gosh. It's snowing like heck. Oh my gosh, I mean, it almost looks like rain. That. Oh my goodness. Look at that. We'll open another with a different window. Oh my goodness. Brave little bunny. Oh my goodness. It's freezing in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I mean, can't believe it. If it snows anymore, then probably school will be called off and pretty much no one will be able to drive anywhere. So that's not going to be fun. Goodness. But no one's going to be allowed on the roads much. Man. And if it keeps doing this tonight, all the snow is going to become ice. Everything is going to become ice. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Look at the skies. They're white. Nothing. Nothing. Oh my. Holy crap. I mean, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You see that? Now it's blowing winds. Oh my gosh. This is super intense. Wow. Just wow.